Welcome to the Trading Lounge and the Commodities Report, and starting with US spot gold. As you know, we'd been looking for wave A here, then an A and a B and a C wave through to here, and we've been counting the 5 waves down here, and last time we spoke we were in here somewhere. I was expecting one more little move down into the 72 here, but obviously that didn't come around, and the situation now is that we have an impulse wave to the upside here. Impulse wave is 5 waves, and if we get 5 waves in the opposite direction, then we'll get another 5 over here. So we're looking for a setup signal to go long, and if we drill in here a little bit, we'd be looking for something of this nature here, where we have wave 1 and 2 in here, all of the 3rd wave in here, a 4th and a 5th wave up to here, and then the A, B and C correction here, then support on here, and then up from here. So just be a little bit mindful about how you position yourself into this market. The silver market is also the same as well, and one of the things we were looking for is support on the medium level 1650 here. We'd been tracking a 5 wave sequence all the way down through to here, so maybe I should just label that an A wave and a B wave and a C wave here, but the main point is that because we get 5 here, we'll get another 5 over here. So once again, very much like gold, this first little leg up here, so we'll be looking for a little completion here. This has still got a little move to go up here, then the A, the B and the C here, and then up from that point there. The copper market is good too, because it's also on the daily chart. It's moved up here, and we expect it to move further to the upside as well. So it appears we've got a little impulse wave here, so we'll pull back and then move up here further. The main point is that we have a corrective B wave here, and we'll be looking for higher ground here. So this is good for the materials sector, the BHPs of the world. Yep, and the platinum market is also pushed up yesterday as well, the day before, and once again we're also looking for 5 waves up here, and then an ABC correction here, and then up from here. Now we do have an A and a B and a C wave here, so we'll definitely be looking to take out the top here and the 1200 target. So support after this correction here, look for support on the 1150, the midpoint, and then the target would be at 1200 here. So quite easy trading, really. The oil market, a little bit of a sticky contention here. I mean, first of all, we're looking for a move back up to the 4th wave of 1 lesser degree, which is right on this price point here. So that's 58.98. So we could say 59. And we're also looking, in a bit of a nutshell, we're looking for 5 waves up here. And I know that the 4th and the 5th wave, we're looking at a little one in here that we're looking to finish here. So this would be it here. Now it's not panning out really nicely. I mean, it's just it's traveling sideways, and that's what number 8 does. It's a profit-taking number, and but we're still looking for it. Even if we get a little sort of 5 waves down here, we're still looking for a move to the upside here. So this wave 4 would just be a bit bigger and uglier and annoying and all the rest of it, but basically moving higher. But I do suggest that I was looking at this here as an A wave to here, a B wave in 3 to here, and then a C wave in 5 to here. But look, there's other ways to count it too. It's just not a very clear count here. So we could look at it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and finishing just on here and moving up from these old lows here. But I suggest that the best bet to go on is, if I can find the weekly method here, so keeping the stop under this low at 55.70. I mean, as long as the market stays above 55, it's relatively positive, but at the same time, 55.63 would be under this low here, the 55.70 sort of area here. You don't want to be holding it long. You don't want to be holding it long under here. That's for sure, because if you're bringing the stop up here, then we can see that this was the strong part of the trend here. In the bars had lots of large ranges here, and now they're getting very small. So even if it had another one, it would only be a small range. So it's not worth sort of sweating it out for. But we are expecting it to move up off the old lows. Okay, well, that's it. Short and sweet. And obviously, some of those metals are setting up nicely for a nice trade to the upside.